certainly wind and rain in large amounts. Now, first of all, the wind. It'll zip through actually quite quickly, and it'll be Saturday night and early Sunday through Northern Ireland and Western Scotland. And in fact, this is a 3-day forecast, and the wind doesn't really feature beyond that. So it's not the same as last weekend. Farther northwest and not quite as strong. In fact, the storm developing is in the middle of the Atlantic, and it's hard to find. Certainly it's in this mass of cloud, but we'll come to that in 24 hours' time. At the moment, we have a very obvious hook of cloud here. In fact, I'll put the rain on. You can see from Northern Ireland down through Wales and southern England. Pretty bright colours on the radar echo, and that suggests heavy rain. It's taking a long time to clear through Northern Ireland, longer than I first thought this morning, so the sunshine will be late in coming, and the orange means heavy bursts of rain. Its tail end is through Cheshire, Lancashire, North Wales. It's heading across through Derbyshire and I think to Yorkshire, and the tail end goes through the Midlands. So a pretty damp afternoon. And if you're out travelling, you've got the additional problem of hill fog that's been there all day for particularly England and Scotland. The road conditions aren't going to be that good, and they're going to be slow to improve as well. And it's not just today either. I'm afraid, although it might start quite bright from mainland Scotland tomorrow and eastern England, very, very quickly the next belt of rain is in. Tomorrow the wind will be stronger with that rain, probably touching gale force along south coast of England. This rain is equally with some pretty mild air, and you've probably noticed how mild it is outside. So abundant hill fog. Up to Northern Ireland then, this rain by lunchtime. The afternoon takes it further, but you're sitting here watching 12 hours worth of rain throughout Saturday in many places. Not surprisingly, that's likely to cause some flooding, so a warning of this, I think, was certainly worth keeping on. Another inch at least during Saturday, more in the hills, it's got to run off somewhere. And then, as I've already mentioned, Saturday night, early Sunday, severe gales for Northern Ireland and Western Scotland during the early hours, and a moderate risk of them being severe. This is the low that's bringing them. Now, clearly, it does in this time frame, and this is Saturday night into Sunday, move through quite quickly. So we're left on Sunday with what looks to anybody who's a bit of meteorology just like a straightforward sunshine and showers day. And it will be. The worst of weather, northwestern Scotland, then by worst I mean still very windy and probably with concentrated rain for a time. Otherwise, blustery showers. And still with temperatures of the order of 13 or 14 degrees. Sadly, in the middle of this lies most people's bonfire parties, and it'll be well after dark before it's worth lighting fireworks.